Hi, I'm Iskra and I'm here to show you how to use the Aerie exclusive way to find your bra size using the BFF, the Best Fit Finder. Make sure you're in a lightly lined bra, no push-ups for this, and either no top or a tight thin shirt. First up, get your band size using this side first on the tape. Wrap it around just under your bust and make sure the top of the tape is aligned with the bottom of your bra band. Next, let's get your cup size using this side second on the tape. Wrap this side around the fullest part of your bust and line up the bottom of the tape with the top of your bra band. In the column where the edge of the tape lands, look for the band size you measured earlier. The letter next to it is your cup size. And that's it! You have your Aerie bra size. And there's more! The BFF also gives you your sister size. Check out the colour-coded diagonal boxes extending off your size and try these for a similar fit to the size you measured. So, for me, my sister sizes are 32DD and 36C. Remember, all that matters is that you find a bra that feels best. Hope you feel real good in your new Aerie bra.